Today we're going to be talking about the website that we created. It's called Foodtastic for this year's Jam Hacks. So meet the team. We're all grateful students graduating out of Dr. Norman Bethune CI.
Hi, my name is Ree. I'm a veteran hacker and I'm going to Waterloo CS next year. Adam Picardo is unfortunately not able to be here with us right now, but he's also a first-time hacker and he's going into Toronto Metropolitan for nursing.
Hi, my name is Shreyas Rao. I'm also a first-time hacker and I'm going to University of Toronto for software engineering and computer science. And we have James Liang here, who is unfortunately not here today with us, but he's a veteran hacker and he's gone camping during this long weekend. Oh, our pitch. As grateful students, there are a number of things that we are still unsure of regarding post-secondary and life in general after high school. One of our biggest worries is about staying in shape and staying healthy. So how do students manage to do all the work they have and eat healthy at the same time? They don't. We know that most university students struggle with healthy eating. And it's usually not because they can't eat healthy, but because they lack the time or the experience or the resources to do so. And this causes them to resort to fast food or eat out, which in this case causes a lot of problems for students. Research from 2016 found out that around 40% of Canadian university students have experienced some form of food insecurity. Our project, Foodtastic, aims to provide students with all the tools necessary to eat healthy while also saving them time and, most importantly, money. Foodtastic opens up a whole new world of exotic foods that are affordable and easy to make by providing with the cheapest options where to purchase them.
So now let's go over a quick demonstration of our project. So here's our homepage of the project. Here you can see there's a brief description on how to use our website and what our website's about. Down here you can see the options for the different recipes that you can choose from. So let's say you wanted to choose the cauliflower, brown rice, and vegetable fried rice. You would click on this image and it will bring you to this page. And then here it gives you a bunch of information about this recipe. So all of this information is taken from a Spoonacular API, so it's taken from a Spoonacular API. So we have stuff like the general description of the recipe, some other additional information on the ingredients list. So these ingredients are taken from the Spoonacular API, like I said, and then we take those ingredients and when we send them to another API called Backflip, which searches flyers for the cheapest price of the specific ingredients. So for example, this week No Frills has sesame seeds on sale for $2.99, and that's like the cheapest price out of all the other grocery stores. Yep, and then down here we also have the instructions on how to prepare the recipe and other additional nutritional information.
So now for the challenges and accomplishments. We had challenges integrating the web page scraping into the website with user input, as it was really challenging to use relative expats instead of absolute expats when the source link changed every time the program browsed through the items on the flyer. On top of that, we had a severe thunderstorm on Saturday, which caused a power outage, which was also a major setback. We had more accomplishments too. We used APIs to gather data on recipe information, as shown in the demo. We also designed a modernistic website using HTML and CSS. We also learned how to use web scrapers to select information of ingredients for the recipes at the lowest prices from the flyers on Flip. It was also one of the most fun experiences we had at this hackathon in Jam Hacks, and despite not turning out the way we imagined to be, we can all agree that we had a great time constructing this website.
So what's next for Foodtastic? So we have 3 potential improvements that we can make. So the first one is recipe promotion. So it's a system, so we can add a system which allows users to rate, share, and add their own recipes, which would allow popular recipes to be experienced by more and more people. So next up we have smarter ingredient shopping. This would allow users to indicate which items they already have in their pantry and to print on a shopping list of just the items that they need to go out and buy. And we can also take this one step further by integrating a shopping delivery app such as a shopping delivery service such as Instacart. And lastly, we can also improve our recipe searching um, algorithm. So we can allow users to filter based on specific uh, options such as dietary restrictions or food regions. So like let's say you wanted to have Asian food. So you can search just for Asian food.
Our service slogan would be eat better and not less. This aims towards university students as they are unable to spend time cooking delicious and healthy food. So thank you everybody for listening. This pretty much wraps up our presentation today. Again, our project Foodtastic aims to save students money and help them maintain a healthy diet. Overall, Jam Hacks has been a great experience for me and the members in my group. Not only we were exposed to new languages and concepts, but we discovered a whole new platter of challenges that came along with the team projects. As a first-time hacker, I had a great time and I definitely learned a lot. Again, we are Foodtastic and thank you for listening.